Hi everyone, this is Diane Thomas. Thank you for joining me for an open house today at 12063 Blackwell Way in the Canterbury Crossing neighborhood in Parker. Here we go, here's the front of the house. Now let's go inside. As we come into the foyer area, you can see here's the sitting room and dining room as we walk in. I wanted to point out these beautiful, beautiful Brazilian walnut hardwood floors. They are gorgeous, and they're in the sitting room and the great room area, and just beautiful. Here's the dining room. You can see with the coffered ceiling, the ceramic tile, open. Here's the great room area. As I described in the MLS, we also have the house overlooks the Black Bear Golf Course. Spin around so you can get a nice view of the great room area. Here's a see-through fireplace that goes into the office that I'll show you. And then we have here the garage entrance and office, like I said, on the other side, and a half bath. Let's walk into the kitchen. I think let's come out on this side and spin around so you can get a nice view of the kitchen. There we go. So the kitchen has the granite countertops with the accents with a backsplash that I think are beautiful. Really pulls that all together. She has a gas cooktop stove, convection oven, full-size walk-in pantry, desk area. Look how clean that looks with the undermount sinks. Very nice, light cabinetry. I really like how she pulled that all together. Here we can go out to the outside, out on the patio. Let me give you that view. We'll jump up on that deck so you can see as well. But here's the back of the house with the walkout basement. The basement's 1,100 square feet. It's unfinished. It does have a rough-in, so you could put a bathroom in there. All kinds of options down there. Let's jump up on the deck. Here you can see the view of the golf course. Really nice sized deck just to sit out there and enjoy. Let's go back into the house. Here's your kitchen again. We can jump up here into the great room. The great room, we can walk back here into, let's check out. We have the laundry room, full size, washer and dryer, hanging, and cabinetry for great storage. We have the office that also shares the hardwoods, which are really nice. See-through fireplace, which is a really nice feature for the office. Could make this a bedroom. It doesn't have a closet, but it does have the windows. It would be non-conforming, but totally doable. And then we have, whoops, half bath. So you can see all the normal stuff. Toilet in the sink, mirror. Here we go. So now let's go up to the second floor. Instead of going up the stairs, we're just gonna pop up to the top. And let's walk into, check out the master. The master really has the beautiful western views, which the golf course, coffered ceilings like the dining room, just a really nice sitting area, right? Huge bed. There's your bathroom, master bathroom suite. Look at the two sinks separated by the bathtub. Isn't that a nice feature? You have plenty of room there. Plenty of room to navigate. And then here's the shower. Nice big shower, toilet area, walk-in closet, tidy cellars they are. Really laid out nicely. It's great space. As we leave the master bedroom, let's get turned around here. We can go to the other side where the loft is. Nice sized loft. Again, golf course views. Now, you can leave this as a loft or you can enclose this wall. It does have the windows and the closet you could expand and close this off to make this a bedroom. Wouldn't be that hard to do. Here's a third bedroom. Closet space, not walk-in, but still it does have the floor space. Same in the second, whoops, missed that turn, didn't we? Here's the second bedroom. Obviously, boys' sports room. Spin around. Hope I'm not going too quickly. I don't want to spin too quickly, do I? Out we go. And then we also have a full-size bathroom right next to the second bedroom. Let's get this down so you can see it. Here is the bathtub, shower, toilet area, sink, full-size bathroom. So we can go back down to the first floor. Actually, I'd like to show you this view. Let's go up to a higher view. Let me get this, spin this around. Okay, so there is the view, oh, here we go, of the whole first floor. I think this would be easier with a steering wheel. But here you go. The house is really beautiful and has beautiful accents. Again, right now it's 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, unfinished basement, 1,100 square feet. There is crawl space, so there's tons of storage back there. Huge crawl space for storage. Like I said, it's roughed in for a bathroom, but just a great layout in this home and beautiful features. Love the windows and the way the bedrooms, the second and third bedrooms on this side, master bedroom on the other side. Little privacy. So beautiful home. I'm so glad you could stop by today. If you have any questions or you'd love to schedule a showing, I'm happy to help you. My phone number is 303-641-9846. Again, it's Diane Thomas, 303-641-9846. Reach out, text me, let me know if you'd like a showing or just if you have questions. I'm happy to help. Thank you for stopping by and have a great day.